Here at Chr Hansen we make starter cultures for the dairy industry primarily. And in this lab we do the identification of the strains. So we make sure that the strains we are growing is the strains that is ending at the consumers. So we do this by doing different genetic analysis. We are still doing what is called pulse field gel electrophoresis. We wanted to do sequencing, and we knew that it was a really time-consuming job to make the preparations. So you couldn't get consistent data, and you had a lot of errors. It took a long time to do this process. It takes around 2 weeks from you got the strain till you get the answer. By doing this sequencing and automating it, you can have the answer in 3 days. I've been making libraries by hand. If I was really good, I could do 24 in a day. Now we can do 48 samples in a day as a walk-away, and that's a really big advantage. And you will get more consistent data. We needed a robot that was stable, of course, but also could be operated by lab techs and chemists. You didn't need an engineering exam. Now we are using the robots for preparing libraries, and that's the most time-consuming part of the sequencing. You just put in the samples, put in the reagents, press start and walk away, and you will have the libraries in 6 or 7 hours. The Biomec 4000 is exceeding my expectations because I can set up 2 runs a day, making me able to do 48 samples per day, which is more than we can sequence. The first day we were sitting with the application scientist, I discovered how much you can do with this robot. That it wasn't just pipetting one liquid to another liquid. You could adjust everything, so you could make these small tweaks, make the very viscous buffers go just as you wanted to. Also, you could do techniques that you couldn't do in the lab. For instance, you could add an air gap, making it able to do several aspirations. We've been working with the Biomec software, and it's really easy. It's like working with Lego. So you just have like bricks you just put together. Even though you have a brick, you can still go in and make the small tweaks, which is essential for every lab. The primary benefits is that we get the consistent data, we get the speed, and we get the walk away. Beckman was really good at helping us, both the application scientists and the technical engineers, when we called them. Usually they could fix the problem within 24 hours. And that was a huge advantage. Also, we had a really close collaboration because Beckman didn't set this procedure up before, so we had a really close collaboration on how to do it and where the pitfalls were. And that was really good, and I think that's part of the success.